Hey. Oh, stop. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gold Coast Beauty, and welcome to another Tree Tuesdays on a Thursday. As always, I'm going to start with a conversation, then I'm going to break it down, pronunciation and meaning, and then there'll be a quiz at the end. You people, I've not been seeing you answering the quiz, and I'm not happy. I'm not happy. So this next conversation is between two friends, Ama and Yao. So Yao asks Ama, Ama, are you hungry? Ama, are you hungry? And how you say that is, Ama, ekomo diwo anaa. Ama, ekomo diwo anaa. Ama is a female born on a Saturday. Ekom is hunger. Ekom is hunger. And again, anaa at the end of a sentence makes it a question, or else it means or. So, Ama, ekomo diwo anaa. Ama, are you hungry? Ama, are you hungry? Ama, ekomo diwo anaa. And Ama replied by saying, yes, Yao, I'm very hungry. Do you have any food at home? Yao is a male born on Thursday. Ama is a female born on Saturday. So she says, Ay, Yao, ekomo de me pa, o Aduane wo fie. Ay, Yao, ekomo de me pa, o Aduane wo fie. So I is yes. Ekomo de me. Come again is there. Ekomo de me. So yes, I'm hungry. She said pa, which means a lot or very. Pa, ekomo de me pa. Wo, do you have Aduane? Aduane is food at home. Fie is home or house, depending on the content. So it can be fie or a fie. So she says, yes, I'm very hungry. Do you have any food at home? Ay, Yao, ekomo de me pa, o Aduane wo fie. Yao responds by saying, no, but we can go and buy some. What type of food do you want? And how you'd say that is, Debi nenso, yebetimi akotobi. Debi nenso, yebetimi akotobi. Aduane ben na upe. Aduane ben na upe. So, Debi, no. Nenso, however, or but. Yebetimi, we can go. Akotobi, tobi, to buy. Debi nenso, yebetimi akotobi. So no, however, or but, we can go and buy some. Aduane ben na upe. Aduane ben na upe. What food do you like, or what type of food do you want? Aduane ben na upe. And then Ama responds by saying, anything with rice. Do you like rice? Anything with rice. And then she asks Yao, do you like rice? And how you'd say that is, emo aduane biara. Emo aduane biara. Upe emo anaa. Emo is rice. Emo aduane again is food. So rice food. Biara means like whatever, not whatever, but whichever. Emo aduane biara. Emo aduane biara. Any sort of rice dish. Upe emo. Wo you pe like want. Emo again is rice. Wope emo. So she says, any sort of rice dish. Do you like rice? And Yao responds by saying, yes, I like it with chicken stew. Yes, I like it with chicken stew. And how you'd say that is, I me pe emo any akoko nam froye. I me pe emo any akoko nam froye. So he says, I or ane, yes, me pe, I want emo rice. Any in addition or and. Akoko nam. Akoko is a chicken. Akoko is a chicken. Nam is meat or flesh. So akoko nam, no, sradie. No, let's keep it meat. Okay, let's keep it meat before I overcomplicate things. Akoko nam froye. Froye is stew. Froye is stew. Nkwan on the other hand is soup. Nkwan is soup. Nkwan is soup. So Ama finally responds and says, that's good or that's okay. Let's go. That's good or that's okay. Let's go. And how you'd say that is enoye. Enoye. That one is fine. That one is good. That one is okay. Enoye. Yenko. 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 Let's go. Yenko. Let's go.
Ama, ekomo de wo na. Ayaw, ekomo de me pa. Wo wo aduane wo fie. Debi, nenso, yebetimi akotobi. Aduane bɛn na wo pɛ. Emo aduane biara. Wo pɛ emo. Ai, me pɛ emo ni akoko nam froye. Eno ye, yenko.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. Don't give it a thumbs up and leave any other comments in the comment section. Coming up next are the quiz questions.
Translate these 3 words into English. Froye, froye. Aduane, aduane. Akoko, akoko. Emu, emu. Nensu, nansu. Yenko, yenko. Ekomo de wo na. Ekomo de wo na.